Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept but a prevalent force in our daily lives. It influences sectors like healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. We rely on AI-driven technologies for personalized recommendations, efficient route planning, disease diagnosis, and even fraud detection. Understanding the impact of AI on our routines and interactions sheds light on its transformative power and the endless possibilities it unlocks in various industries. Personal assistants like Siri and Alexa are powered by artificial intelligence, enabling them to understand and respond to user commands. These AI-driven assistants simplify tasks such as setting reminders, checking the weather, answering queries, and playing music, enhancing convenience in our daily lives. Through natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, personal assistants continuously improve their accuracy and responsiveness, adapting to users' preferences and habits. The integration of AI technology in these devices showcases the potential for seamless human-machine interaction and personalized assistance. Artificial intelligence is transforming the healthcare industry by revolutionizing disease diagnosis, treatment planning, and patient outcome prediction. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of medical data with speed and accuracy, assisting healthcare professionals in making informed decisions. From early detection of diseases to personalized treatment recommendations, AI enhances precision and efficiency in healthcare delivery. By leveraging machine learning and predictive analytics, AI contributes to improving patient care outcomes and optimizing healthcare processes, showcasing its immense value in revolutionizing the medical field. Artificial intelligence is driving a transportation revolution through the implementation of self-driving cars, predictive maintenance practices, and traffic flow optimization. Self-driving vehicles utilize AI technologies like computer vision and sensor fusion to navigate roads autonomously, aiming to enhance road safety and efficiency. Predictive maintenance powered by AI algorithms helps anticipate and prevent vehicle breakdowns, ensuring optimal fleet performance. Additionally, AI-based traffic management systems analyze real-time data to ease congestion and improve traffic flow, ultimately transforming the future of transportation with innovation and intelligence. Artificial intelligence is redefining entertainment by delivering personalized content recommendations on streaming platforms and introducing lifelike virtual characters. AI algorithms analyze user preferences and viewing habits to suggest tailored content, enhancing the overall viewing experience. Moreover, advancements in AI-generated virtual characters offer immersive storytelling and interactive experiences in gaming and digital media. By leveraging AI technology, entertainment industries can engage audiences in innovative ways, creating personalized and captivating content that resonates with viewers on a deeper level.